This is how the key of the Tesla electric car looks like, and that is the camera that will identify you as a bona fide driver of this car. And when you open, this is locked. Now to unlock it, just do like this. There you go. There you hear the sound that it's already unlocked, and then this is how they do it. There you go. And this is the interior of the Tesla car. It doesn't have a dashboard just like the regular car, but it has what is this? This is something like a dashboard already. Okay, all apps and everything, and that is how it looks like inside. And it has a rooftop. Okay, the roof is like a sunroof, the whole thing, the whole roof. So this is the captain's chair, or also known as Noah's chair. He had to be buckled so that it will not be there is the law here. You have to be children had to be buckled in the seat. So this is how it looks like, and at the pedal is just a regular, like an accelerator and a brake. Of course, there is no clutch, and everything here. Let's see what does it got here. So when you start the car, you have to put this key, the one I showed you earlier, right here. Okay, right there. Okay, what happened? So you have to. So this is how it looks like. Okay, there is no dashboard. Okay, and the car key, it's a keyless. So that is this is how you start it's just like an ATM card. Okay, and what else? And my boss is coming in now. We will go to the grocery, Palestinian grocery, which she said is cheap there, very cheap. So we'll go there and buy some food, and let me see. Record na lang. So the car is already start, and what you need is just to press the brake pedal, and then put this in the rear, and we have a rear mirror here. Okay, now atras na kita. Okay, let's go. We'll go to the grocery. Okay, show this to them. And you didn't. I'm already used to looking at the back when I back up, so it's very new to me. damo-damo na.
Okay, go.
Pwede na mag-self-drive daw.
Hindi asang sa later na yan, not now.
Okay.
The video is on.
Kabut sa bata, thumbs up.
Okay. Now, this is my first time to drive electric car, Tesla, and Nonong is teaching me how to drive. He's my driver instructor. Oh, this is so you just like driving a fossil fuel car. So we'll go straight now, or we go home.
We go home and we have to put him in the car seat.
Okay, and then signal light.
Yeah, that's a signal.
Mga pareho ni sa Lilo. Muna, katon ka pa siya na.
May Tesla na to si Lilo ka.
I don't care.
Okay.
May mga Lamborghini gani. Oh, maliko ko.
Balaan niya na.
Ay, nagpundo ko mo.
Oh my God.
Gosh.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch anything.
Don't do the.
Okay.
May ilang
Okay, no hand.
Don't hit the brakes. Nothing. You're leaving
no
it
hand.
alone.
Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep. This is how you drive the Tesla. I'm going to sleep. And then it will stop.
Yeah.
Right there. So this car is very smart, huh?
Destination will be on the right.
Alright, then we'll go again and I will sleep.
It's making sure everybody's in. It's a four-way stop.
So, oh, this is perfect for your mommy. Okay? I think your mommy will learn to drive now, car. She will not do anything. Okay? Eh, masulod man natin sa akin.
Go.
Okay, so here's how you charge
What?
a Tesla.
What will I do?
So also at the end, at the charging, once you're stopped, once you're done charging, press this button and while pulling it out.
Okay.
No, you just put it in, baby. It's already ready.
Okay.
That's it. White means it's ready. Go.
Oh, okay.
Blue, and then it's gonna turn
blue.
green.
Okay.
Blue, it's connecting.
And then it's charging now.
If it's green, it's charging.
Okay, so
I'm not gonna buy. I'm just gonna watch my friend.
Hey, go to Manawari.
hindi ka mapad?
Breakfast sila.
Ah, sige na. Kaya na.